Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate your dividends in Dividend.com. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate your dividends on Dividend.com, start by visiting the website. Once on the home page, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. If you already have an account, enter your email and password in the appropriate fields. If you don't have an account, look for the sign up option below the login form. Fill out the registration form to create a new account. Verify your email by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Return to the Dividend.com website and log in with your new credentials. After logging in, navigate to the portfolio section located in the main menu. In your portfolio, look for the specific stocks you want to authenticate dividends for. Click on the stock name to access its detailed information page. Scroll down to find the dividends section. Here, you will see upcoming and past dividend payments listed. To authenticate the dividends, check the details provided, including payment dates and amounts. You can also compare these details with information from your brokerage account. If everything matches, you have successfully authenticated your dividends. For further verification, you can use the research tools available on the site. Utilize the tools to explore additional resources and insights on dividend stocks. When finished, you can log out by clicking the logout button in the top right corner. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.